Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to take seats out of Kia Sedona Easy Guide. First, move the seat fully forward and fold any armrests or seatbacks down. Remove plastic trim covers and unbolt visible fasteners with the correct sockets. Unplug seat wiring harness carefully and label connectors. Lift from the base with a partner to avoid strain. Store bolts and trim in a bag so reinstallation is simple and organized. In this video, I will show how to take seats out of Kia Sedona Easy Guide. Begin by sliding the seat to access front and rear bolts, then remove plastic caps. Use a breaker bar if bolts are tight and apply penetrating oil if needed. Carefully lower the seat enough to reach electrical connectors. Disconnect seat heaters and sensors first, double-checking clip orientation for easier reassembly later. In this video, I will show how to take seats out of Kia Sedona Easy Guide. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for long days working on cars. They stay comfy while you unbolt and lift seats, and they stand up to grease and wear. If you want the pair I mentioned, check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to take seats out of Kia Sedona Easy Guide. After unbolting, tilt the seat to access under-seat wiring and unclip connectors slowly. Place connectors in a safe spot and tape labels to the seat frame. If an airbag connector is present, follow OEM safety steps and store the seat away from extreme temperatures. Always reconnect the battery last when reinstalling seats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.